Are you wondering how you can create an avatar that can talk, stand, walk around like this?
Are you running a faceless YouTube channel? Or are you planning to own a YouTube channel but you don't want to show your face? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar that can also stand, move around, and sit. All I want in return as a reward for making this video is for you to click the like button on this video.
In this tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps you can follow in order to make an AI avatar like this. And if you want all the prompts I use in making this video, you can tell me in the comment section and I will send it directly to you. So go to Leonardo AI, click on image creation, give the settings like this, and input your image prompt. Make sure you select 16 by 9 since we are making it for YouTube, and the number of images should be 4 so that you can select the better one out of the 4. And if you want this prompt, you can tell me in the comment section and I'll send it directly to you. After that, click on generate and wait for a few minutes to generate the image. And here's the result. The reason for generating 4 images is it gives you opportunity to pick the best out of the four images. So let's look for the best one out of these 4. And for this tutorial, I think I'll use the fourth one, which is this one. Prefer this. So click download it to your computer. The next thing to do is to make our avatar come to life. We animate our avatar, and animating our avatar we will be using Kling AI. So go to your browser and type Kling AI. Select this one. Go to AI video. So here, import the generated image. Kling AI gives us 2 prompt boxes. The second one is optional. So the second one is negative prompt box. So in the first prompt box, input your prompt. This is the details of what we want our avatar to be doing. And the negative prompt box, just put avoid blurriness and unrealistic movement. Once you are done with that, click on generate and wait for a few minutes to generate our video. Here's the result. It looks amazing. So the next step from here is to extract the video frame. Extracting the video frame, we will be using video extractor. So go to your browser and type frame extractor. Click on this and import the video that we just generated from Kling AI. we are going to extract the last frame of this video. So click on extract and go to the last frame. This is the last frame. Download it to your computer. Go back to Clean AI, delete the first image, then import the new last frame that we just downloaded from extractor. And input your second prompt here. Input your second prompt. Leave the negative prompt. Don't bother to touch the negative prompt. So the second prompt is the details of the continuation of what we want the avatar to be doing. Leave the negative prompt. If you are done with that, click generate and wait for the results. And here is the result. Okay, download it to your computer. And the next thing we are going to do from here is to go back to the extractor again and upload this video in order to extract the last frame of this video, like we did in the previous one. Import it. Extract and go to the last frame. Download the last frame. After downloading the last frame, go back to Clean AI, delete the previous image, and upload the last frame that we just downloaded. After that, click on End and upload the original avatar image that we downloaded from Leonardo AI. Because we want the avatar to go back to the seat, which is the original position, and continue talking. So click on End and upload the original image we generated from Leonardo AI. Then change your prompt. That's your third prompt. Leave the negative prompt like that. When you are done with that, click on generate and wait for the results. And here is the result. So you can see our avatar has gone back to his seat, which is the previous the original position. The next step now is to go to CapCut or any editing tool to arrange the videos that we generated from Clean AI before generating our voiceover. So open your CapCut and import all the videos we generated from Clean AI. to arrange it accordingly. After arranging it, once you are done arranging it, um, download it to your computer. So we go to the next step. The next step is generating our voiceover. Generating our voiceover, I'll be using a Minimax, Allo Minimax. Or you can also use 11 Labs. But for this tutorial, I'll use Allo Minimax. So head over to your browser and search for Allo Minimax Audio. So before you proceed, click on Voices to pick the voice that is suitable for your project.
I prefer to keep to myself most of the time. It's not that I don't like people, I just need my space to think.
In the quiet of dusk, every whispered secret of the city finds its echo in the beating heart of the night.
Each moment unfolds like a vivid painting, where even the subtlest hues speak of untold adventures.
Every syllable carries a promise, drawing you into a realm where dreams and reality intertwine.
So for this tutorial, I'll pick this first. Select it and go back to text to speech. Input your script here. And click on generate. Wait for the results.
Are you running a faceless YouTube channel? Or are you planning to own a YouTube channel but you don't want to show your face? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar that can also stand, move around, and sit. All I want in return as a reward for making this video is for you to click the like button on this video, subscribe if you have not, and drop your comment in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.
So download it to your computer and let's go to the next and the last part. The next and the last part will be syncing the video with the voiceover, and with that we'll be using Dreamlab. Head over to your browser and type Dreamface. Select this one. Go to AI tools and pick photo lip sync. Click on generate avatar video. So here upload your video. The video that we arranged from CapCut, upload it here. Okay, now go to audio and upload your voiceover.
Are you running a faceless YouTube channel? Or are you planning to own a YouTube channel but you don't want to show your face? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar
So now click on generate and wait for the results.
Are you running a faceless YouTube channel? Or are you planning to own a YouTube channel but you don't want to show your face? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar that can also stand, move around, and sit. All I want in return as a reward for making this video is for you to click the like button on this video, subscribe if you have not, and drop your comment in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.